So let's start with today's lovely whole wheat bread. Now here I've taken about 1 cup of warm milk, 1.5 tablespoon of dry active yeast, 1.5 tablespoon of regular sugar, and 3 cups of whole wheat flour, about 1.5 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of water. This is regular water. Now first I'm going to add the sugar to the warm milk. Now your milk should not be too hot, it should not be at room temperature, it should not be cold, it should be warm enough that you can just dip your finger in it. So it should not be hot at all, otherwise it will kill the yeast. So first we're going to add the sugar, and then we're going to add this dry active yeast. And we're going to keep this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you will see that after 10 to 15 minutes the yeast mixture has doubled in size. Now we're going to transfer the yeast mixture to a large mixing bowl. To that we're going to add the flour, the salt and the oil. We're going to mix everything well with our spoon or spatula, and then we're going to add a little of the water, that 1/4 cup that we had taken, and we're going to knead this to a soft and sticky dough. Don't worry about the dough if it's sticky. We're just going to dust our surface with some whole wheat flour, and then we're going to knead this dough for a whole 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to follow this fold and tuck method for another 2 to 3 minutes. So you're going to roll it, fold it, and then tuck it. This is very important for this recipe. This will make your dough very, very smooth and very, very elastic and very, very easy to work with. Now if you follow all the steps that I tell you in this recipe, you just can't go wrong with this whole wheat bread. Now I've just greased my bowl, the same mixing bowl that I had mixed everything in, with some oil. I'm going to place this dough, cover it, and I'm going to set it aside for about 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, you will see that the dough has nicely risen. You're going to punch the dough down, and then again you're going to follow this fold method. Now you're not going to tuck it, you're just going to fold it into a cylinder form. So you're going to knead the dough and then fold it into the cylinder form. Now I'm just going to take a greased tin, and I'm just going to grease it with some oil. You can use olive oil, you can use regular oil. And then I'm going to place my dough into this, and then I'm going to cover and again keep it aside for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you will see that it has nicely risen. Now we're just going to take about a teaspoon or 2 of milk, and we're going to brush this. Now I'm going to put this into my preheated oven and bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let the bread come to complete room temperature. But before that, when it's warm only, just apply some butter for that lovely glaze. And then let it come to room temperature completely before you demold it. And once you demold it, you'll see that it's so soft and spongy, and it has baked so well. And now you can just cut it up into slices. When it comes to room temperature, it's easier to cut also. Otherwise, it will just crumble when it's very hot. Also try to use a serrated knife or a bread knife like this to cut even slices. You can see that the bread has really baked well. It's nice and light and porous. And I like to just put some butter and jam on it and enjoy it with a lovely cup of tea or coffee. So do try out this recipe, guys, and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. Both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.